Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Stock Chats. Thank you for my new subscribers. Thank you for my current older subscribers. Remember, this is not investment advice. If you need investment advice, speak to your reputable licensed financial advisor. Now, I feel compelled to speak about this latest issue in the Jamaican Stock Exchange of a company called Ciboney Group Ltd. Now, Ciboney Group Ltd, as you can see right here, in the 3 months chart, went from 15 cents all the way up to a high of $2.13, and then it started to dip at $1.66. If you also look right here, on this date 3.8 million shares were traded. Another date 2.5 million shares were traded. And if you look over here, thanks to JSE Investor, which is a great resource, we look at the 52-week low of 7 cents and the 52-week high of $2.30. So we see a massive change in the stock price. Now, Ciboney is a company that is within the tourism sector. They used to have properties that had hotels on it, but this company for many years has not only been operating in a loss, but has not been making any revenue. The only thing about Ciboney that one could say that is really of value is that it has tax losses, and because of the tax losses, and it's still on the Jamaican Stock Exchange, if a company was supposed to take it over, they would be able to utilize those tax losses. I think they will be able to offset half of their income tax each year until these tax losses are over. Now, if we look at Ciboney's last, because it's still on the Jamaican Stock Exchange, they still have to provide their financials. And what do you notice of this financial statement? Where is the profit and loss, people? There's no profit and loss because this company does not have any revenue. They simply have the balance sheet, and the balance sheet is very poor in regards that there's only 6.3 million in November 2020, and in May 9 million in current assets. Cash of 5 million. No, I'm sorry, cash of 6 million. Income tax recoverables, which I spoke to you about, of 5.7 million. So this company does not have a profit and loss. But yet, because of speculation, this company has increased dramatically. I believe, I didn't do the math, but I know it's over 200%. And you know, those who have made the risk will either be happy or sad if they haven't sold out in time. And this is why I always say it's always important to invest in a company and not in the stock price, because if you are not one of those savvy persons to come out of this when it was rising and making your profit, you will be on the other side, and you will be one of those persons who have made pumping money seeing the stock go up and losing it. You will not be getting any dividends from this stock. In the past, they were giving dividends when they were selling their assets, but right now they are not doing that. You will be not getting anything except the appreciation based on speculation. And the speculation was fueled by a rumor that this company was going to be taken over by another company, and the owner of this the persons who were going to buy this company were actually buying the stock. That was a rumor. There was no concrete evidence, and the stock rose. What happened was that eventually the board of directors of Ciboney had to release a statement saying that they have no information at this time to tell them why the stock is going up. There's no takeover bids or anybody has approached them in regards to a bid. And so as a result of that, after going all the way up to $2.13, the stock began to decline because there is no evidence from the board that nothing is happening, and some persons are now moving out. But for those persons who started the speculation, they have banked. And so this is why they say in the bear and bull market, the bears and bulls will always be okay, but the pigs will get slaughtered. And the pigs are those persons who do not do due diligence to actually come and look at the books, these audited financials, unaudited financials, and see exactly what is going on with the company. Now, if you are a risk taker and a speculator, you can always take these gambles because, of course, this company is, this stock is very cheap. Persons were buying it at 15 cents and they were making all the way to $2.30. But at the same time, you have to always remember that you can be caught with dead stock, because you could be buying this, and if there's no buyers, if it wasn't for this speculation and rumor, you would be stuck with this stock and you would not be able to sell it. So for those who made money out of it, good luck. I do not encourage it because, I'm all about investment. But for those who are speculators and have the risk, I'm happy. I hope that you spend some money at some of my businesses. So this is Ciboney. So if anybody here has taken that risk and thought about these things and it's interesting, do that. I guess if you're a young person who has no children, no other responsibilities, and you have some money that you will be able to put aside that you don't really care about, you can take these risks. But it's a dangerous game. So have a good day.